Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the snipping tool not working on Windows 11. First, close the snipping tool if it is open. Now press the Windows key and type Settings. Open Settings and go to Apps. Click Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Snipping Tool. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Wait a few seconds and try opening the snipping tool again. If it still does not work, return to the same page and click Reset. This will not delete your files. If the issue continues, we will reinstall the app. Press the Windows key, type PowerShell, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. In the window that opens, type the following command and press Enter. Get apps package Microsoft. Screens catch vertical bar remove apps package. After the command finishes, restart your computer. Once your system is back on, open Microsoft Store. Search for Snipping Tool and install it again. After installation, open the app and check if it works. These simple steps usually fix the Snipping Tool problem on Windows 11. If the app opens normally now, the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.